From California to Virginia, tens of thousands of Americans are logging their fears about data centers onto a map, and the voice leading the charge is one you might recognize. Erin Brockovich has now set her sights on Silicon Valley's biggest machines. Environmental activist Erin Brockovich, who helped secure a $330 million settlement from Pacific Gas and Electric, has launched a nationwide data center reporting map, and it just crossed 5,000 community submissions in a matter of weeks. The platform lets residents flag operational, under construction, or proposed data centers near their homes. Top concerns flooding in include water use of up to 5 million gallons a day, noise from cooling systems, and rising electricity bills. A recent Gallup poll found that 7 in 10 Americans now oppose a data center being built in their local community, including 48% who are strongly opposed. That opposition is now making its way into city halls across America. In Seattle, the hometown of Amazon and Microsoft, all 9 city council members voted unanimously on June 9 to impose a one-year emergency moratorium on all new large data centers within city limits. Council President Joy Hollingsworth called it, quote, Seattle's position on AI. The moratorium targets facilities demanding more than 20 megavolt amperes of power and can be extended by 6 months. Seattle joins Minneapolis, Denver, Baltimore, and Indianapolis as cities that have now pressed pause on the industry's build-out. And the reason that legislation keeps gaining momentum comes down to one thing: what it's doing to your electricity bill. PJM Interconnection, the grid operator serving 65 million Americans across 13 states, just recorded its highest ever capacity market costs, driven almost entirely by data center demand. Ratepayers across the region will collectively pay $1.4 billion in new capacity charges starting this month. And PJM is now projecting a 6 gigawatt reliability shortfall by summer 2027 if data center growth continues at its current pace. Yet despite that growing resistance, construction is pressing forward at a scale that defies imagination. Vantage Data Centers held a ceremonial groundbreaking this week for a project called Lighthouse, a 672-acre AI data center campus in Port Washington, Wisconsin, tied to OpenAI and Oracle's Stargate initiative. At $15 billion, it is one of the largest single data center investments ever announced in the United States. The facility is expected to employ 5,000 construction workers at peak, with doors opening in 2028. And the financial commitment behind that construction is staggering. U.S. businesses invested $44.7 billion in data centers in just the first quarter of 2026, up 28% from a year ago. Private equity deal volume has now hit a 5-year high, according to S&P Global Market Intelligence, as institutional investors pour capital into the sector at a pace not seen since before the last tech downturn. Plans are in place to build 2,900 data centers valued at $2.4 trillion between now and 2030. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, subscribe, leave a like, and drop a comment. It helps us cover more of these stories.